Okay, we are going to assemble the gaming chairs now. The first step, now install the wheels, the casters to this hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the first step. Now the second step is put the gas lift inside this hole. And the third step, this gas lift cover to this gas lift. Step 3. Next one, take down the screws. And you take out all this. Now we will assemble the backrest. The step 4, the wedge to twist the screws. The second screws with washer. Don't twist too tight, leave some space here. Okay, here. Leave some space so it's convenient to assemble here, the right side. Okay. Then tighten all the 4 screws on the backrest. This side is okay. And that side is also okay just now. Now we put the gaming chair seat on the curtains, so it's convenient to assemble the mechanism. This has a label, front. You can check here. So put it here. This is front. Screws into the 4 holes and twist the screws. Twist the screws one by one. Next step is to assemble the armrests. Then the next step is to put both 2 screws first. Then twist the screws one by one. Now the other side armrest, the same steps as this side. Put both 2 screws first and then twist them one by one. The screws on the mechanism and the armrest are short screws, 8 short screws. Take out 4 small screws and the plastic covers. Then take out this plastic covers with R label here, R label, and assemble it on this side. Into this hole. and put another screw into this hole. Okay. Put the screws into this hole and twist it, tighten it. The last one, same steps. Put the screws into the hole and tighten it. I'll put the seat and the backrest into here, this hole. Okay, this hole. Okay, last step. Put the headrest into this hole. Oh, okay. Okay, one side is okay. Another side, same step. Okay. Okay, finished.